In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name in a Microsoft Teams meeting using two fast and easy methods. This is helpful if you need to correct your name, add a nickname, or update how your name appears to other participants during a meeting. Let's get started. First method, changing your name before joining a meeting. Click Meet Now or join a meeting link to start or enter a meeting. Before the meeting begins, you'll see a name field on the pre-join screen. Simply type the name you want others to see, then click Join or Start Meeting. Your chosen name will be used as soon as you enter the meeting. Second method, changing your name during an active meeting. If you're already inside the meeting, move your mouse to the top of the screen to bring up the meeting controls. Click on your profile picture or name. From the menu that appears, select Edit Display Name. Enter the new name you want to use, then click Save. Your display name will update immediately, even while the meeting is still in progress. And that's it. With these two methods, you can easily change your name in Microsoft Teams before or during a meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.